The Ransom does what it says on the tin. It's a great unit, cuts the grass, does a fantastic job. This is my 4th year with the same machine, the MP, and it's fantastic. No faults, issues, it's great. Hey, my name's Steve Webb and I'm the maintenance officer for Buckingham Parish Council. So I want something that's obviously well built, well manufactured, nice and solid. That machine, it does exactly what it says on the tin. It's a fantastic piece of equipment. It's versatile because you have obviously the batwing, so it cuts a large area very quickly, but you can fold the batwing, the arms in, and it gets through sort of small spaces, so it does all the smaller areas. And then, as I say, when I get onto the larger bits, I can then drop the batwings and cut large areas like you see obviously here. Very, very easy. Very easy machine, very easy to use the controls. Obviously we had a demo and yeah, you can pick it up really quickly. I mean, I've been around machines for many years, but even for a novice, someone that's only just coming into the industry, you can pick it up really quickly. I did actually get invited to Ransom, and I have been around the factory, and obviously I was massively impressed with the whole structure from start to finish. I mean, it's just an amazing thing that it's just built from just lumps of steel to what you see obviously on the ground. But the equipment itself is just phenomenal. It's just a brilliant machine.